All right, I'm back again. We are now looking at the basement of the Princess Margaret Lottery home and the exterior in the backyard. The basement has got the most exquisite room, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. I nearly did, but I'm not, so make sure you stick around that you're watching the whole video. It's got my favorite room of the house. I'm Claire Jever. Thanks so much for being here. Make sure you click the bell and subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified every time I publish a new video. As always, stick around to the end of the video because I want to hear from you. I want to know what you like the most. Did you agree with what my favorite room is in this basement, or did you like something else more than that? And if you're catching this video but you didn't see the first one, I already did a review of the main floor and the second floor, so make sure you check that out. I will have links to that as well. Alright, so here we are in the basement. I'm going to assume that this is where you're walking into the basement, and then on the right you can see the gym in the corner, and on the left you're going to see the movie theater, which that's my favorite space. But here, I love this. I love this design, and I like it. The counter here, it's got a little more detail, and yes, you could argue, well, Claire, the one upstairs had some detail, but you're not probably eating here like you are in the kitchen. You're not doing as much well, maybe entertaining, yes, but not as much eating and using it like you would use a kitchen, so I like it here. And again, I love the color of the walls. They're beautiful. Let me confirm the color for you. Yep, the color is once again pale oak. So yes, it just looks like a great room, looks like a great place to entertain, especially when you take a look at this. You've got all of this wine fridge. Look at that here. Three of them, actually a fourth one I see over there to the left. And then you've also got a sitting area over here to the right. So the only thing I would definitely do here is I would have an area rug. I feel like it's just looks a little unfinished without having a rug underneath, just to soften the space a little bit as well, because there's a lot of hard elements happening there. There's a closer look at it. This is a special wall treatment. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but you will see in a minute what's behind it. But first, we're going to go to the bathroom here. So this is the bathroom again, another DXV sink. I love my DXV sink. I have mine in black. And this is a nice bathroom down here. This is an ensuite, I believe. Yeah, this is an ensuite. So I'm just curious to know maybe if it has a double entry, because again, you're in the basement and there is a bedroom. And I would like to think it's not just off the bedroom, or else you have to go through a bedroom to get to the only bathroom downstairs. From what I can tell, again, I wish I could be there to actually tour it. Nice little shower here. Love the fixtures. Looks great. Interesting with the knobs. I'm not usually a knob. I'm not usually a knob. Well, some could argue that. I'm not usually a lover of knobs. I usually prefer handles, but I think that they're quite cute here in this instance. And the laundry room. Man, I have to tell you, this laundry room, I love it. I think it looks great. It has been painted in Old Country, the walls, the trim, and the base by Benjamin Moore. I've not used this color. I think it's gorgeous. It's soft. I love all the cabinetry. I love there's enough space in the middle. I love how they show wrapping, because I mean, who doesn't want a place to wrap and do your laundry? You know, I love when you see photos like this, because I don't think it lasts like this for long. And look at the floor. I love the floor. So they've done, this is going to be a hardwood looking tile. I'm going to assume that it's not a hardwood, or it's an LVT. And then you've got the tile here, that accent where the table sits. I love that. I think that looks so beautiful, so smart. The sink is by DXV, and then this fabulous faucet here, you can see that is Groa. You've got somewhere to hang. So I feel like this is quite the functional laundry room, and I really just love the look of it. A lot of storage space too. You've got storage here, and you've got storage here all along, so there's no lack of storage in this laundry room. I have a question for you though. Would you have gone with white appliances here? Kind of feel like I would have done either stainless steel, or I don't know if there was like a different color that I could have chosen. I think I might have done that. I'm not sure I'm loving the white, but they have repeated it on the table, so I'll go easy on Brian on that one. Here's the gym. It's a gym, nice, you know, mirrored walls. Obviously that's always great for doing your workout and for having a lot of reflection of the light. I love that lower light in here. I would love to see like that window, if that's dug down. How is this working? And I love how they've done this. Look how they've done the vents, but then the custom work here with the mirrors and the trim around the mirrors. I just think that's fabulous. And so that's looking into the gym from that little area. And now, oh, look at this. This is awesome. I've done one movie room, like a proper movie room in my time in a 3,000 square foot basement. I'm going to link to that video here if you're watching on YouTube. This is just exquisite. I mean, I can't tell you how excited this makes me. The lighting, for one, is everything. All of the window treatments, there's no paint color in here. It's all window treatment. The wall treatments, all of the wall treatments, beautiful. this dark gray. And I just think those chairs look so cozy, and you could probably fit like, a couple of kids could be in each chair, so it's got seating for 6, but you could easily have more people in there. And I love the movie posters. Again, they're a little more bright, the white frames, or the white mats. I love that. I love it. Yeah, I could definitely hang out in here and watch some movies and eat some of that popcorn too. All right, so this is the guest bedroom downstairs, and this is painted old stone, the walls, the trim, and the doors. And I do like the bedroom. I mean, I like this. I like how they've made a bench seat here, because what else are you going to do when you've got a window like that? Lots of storage space. What's really not functional, though, is, I mean, look at how this bedside table is right next to that door. You cannot open up that door. So, I guess they wanted that for the symmetry, with the side tables and the lamps, but really you would have to forego one. And if you look at it at a different angle, you can see that this door here wouldn't even open either. I'm not sure where that door goes. I don't imagine it would be a closet, because these are closets here with plenty of space. But anyway, so I just found that to be a little odd, but I love the headboard. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice room. The color is nice, trim, the vent all painted the same color. And there is a TV in here. It looks like it's in the corner, but I think this is a wide lens, because this is the door stop, and it just looks like this is way longer than where a door would come. But again, you just wouldn't really be able to open that door and access what was in there. So it may just have been taken for the shot or the angle that it's on. Love when you've got the vents in the toe kick. I think that's always so great. Lots of storage in this room, though, for sure. And then here we have the exterior. So we have the exterior, and it doesn't look overly inviting to me, other than the fact that I love, obviously, all the trees. It looks like it's quite private. You've got the blue sky. It's a beautiful sunny day. But I'm not feeling like it's very welcoming, but that's where I guess the styling would come into. So I don't think there's much styling done back here. And I don't know, sometimes I think, I'm not sure, I guess I don't want to put the money maybe into a pool in some of these homes, but I think sometimes you've got a hot tub, you've got your barbecue over here. And again, I don't know the relationship of how far this is to getting into the house and into the kitchen. Like, I'm not sure what room you hit here. So it would be interesting to kind of, be able to walk through and be able to see how that works. But you have a lot of space. So I would definitely have considered, putting in a pool in this lot. You have a lot of room for that. But definitely nice to have a hot tub. So what did you think of the house? Did you love it? Do you love the basement? I love that theater room. The laundry room I thought was great. So I thought it was actually a very functional living space down there. I love that. And even the outdoors, I just sometimes think, ooh, I would love a pool in there. But hey, I could definitely entertain there, have some good parties. And I would love to hear from you. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you love about the house. And as I said, we list all the paint colors here. They're all listed on the blog as well, so make sure you check out the blog. And if you love color, then make sure you've taken my color quiz, and I will add links to that. You won't want to miss it, because you'll want to know which is your preferred color palette. You'll know when you take the quiz. All right, see you soon. Cheers for being here with me. Bye.